Hey there, crafty friends. Are you ready to embark on a super exciting journey where we take trash like plastic bottles and containers and turn them into amazing crafts? Yep, that's right. It's time for another edition of Upcycling Plastic. Yep, you guessed it. We're making plastic lid magnets. These are not only super cool to look at, but also a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your fridge. You can create different patterns and designs with your bottle caps and beads. From planters to fridge magnets and bottle cap wind chimes, we gave new life to plastic waste and had a blast while doing it. Remember, every small step counts when it comes to taking care of our planet. So by upcycling plastic, you're not only creating awesome stuff, but also reducing waste and helping the environment. And hey, if you're still looking for more plastic upcycling ideas, visit our channel. We have tons of videos packed with creativity just waiting for you. So grab some plastic, let your imagination run wild and have fun. Who knows, you might even discover a new passion for crafting. Thanks for joining us today. Keep being awesome and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Or if you want to add some bling, consider using metallic thread. The possibilities are endless. So let's see how it's done. Grab a clean plastic lid like this one. You can use the top from yogurt containers, margarine tubs, or pretty much any other plastic container. The possibilities are endless. And here's a secret. The smoother the surface of the lid, the easier it will be to decorate. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. You can draw on the lids, use stickers, glitter, markers, or anything you like to make them unique. But wait, we're not done yet. The best part is adding the magnets. Ask a grown-up to help you attach strong double-sided tape or magnets on the back of the lids. And voila, you've got yourself some funky fridge magnets. Now go ahead and stick them on your fridge. They're perfect for holding notes, reminders, or just adding a splash of color to your kitchen. Plus, you'll feel great knowing you gave those plastic lids a new life instead of throwing them away. So next time you're looking for a fun activity, break out the lids, the tape, and the decorations and let your imagination run wild. Who knows, you might even make some unique gifts for your friends and family, where we explore tons of cool ways to reuse plastic waste instead of throwing it away. And guess what? These chimes not only sound beautiful, but they're also super easy to make. So let's give it a try. Alright? Gather some plastic bottle caps. If you've collected different colors, that's fantastic. It will make your chime even more vibrant. Now let's get creative. You can decorate the caps with markers, stickers, glitter, or any way you like. But remember to keep it fun and let your imagination soar. Now, here's a clever trick. Ask a grown-up to punch a hole through the center of each bottle cap. Don't worry, they'll do it safely. Once you have a hole in each cap, it's time to put them together. Thread the caps onto a piece of string or thread, and you can also add beads for extra musical charm. Keep going until you have the number of caps and beads you want in your chime. Now here's the fun part. Hold up your chime and give it a gentle tap. Listen to the delightful sound it makes. Each chime is unique, just like you. So find a special place like your garden or patio to hang your bottle cap wind chime. When the wind blows, it will create a beautiful melody that will make you smile. Plus, you'll be doing your part to keep plastic out of landfills. So every time you hear the chime, you'll know you're making a difference. This time we have 3 brand new and super fun projects for you. So let's dive in and see what we can create together. Alright, before we jump into our awesome projects, let's quickly chat about safety. We are gonna take those plastic bottles that we have been saving and turn them into fantastic planters for our tiny green friends, the plants. Yes, that's right, plastic bottle planters. It's easy, fun, and a great way to give new life to those bottles. So let's check out how it's done. First things first, grab a plastic bottle like this. It could be from soda, water, or anything else. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Ask a grown-up to help you cut the bottle right in half. Now you'll have 2 separate pieces, but we only need 1. Next, it's time to decorate your planter. You can use paints, markers, stickers, or anything you like to make it look awesome. If you want to paint it, remember to let the paint dry before moving on. Now once you're happy with how it looks, let's fill it up. Add some soil, not too much, just enough to hold the plant's roots and make them happy. And guess what? You're almost done. Now carefully place your favorite small flowers or herbs in the planter. There you go, your very own plastic bottle planter. Isn't it cool? Not only did you give a plastic bottle a new life, but you also made a unique planter for your plants to shine in. And here's an extra tip. You can poke a few small holes in the bottom of your planter. That way the water can drain out and your plants can stay healthy and happy. So grab your new planter, find a sunny spot and watch your plants grow and thrive. It's so rewarding to see them flourish in something you created yourself. Remember, when working with plastic, it's super important to be careful and smart. Now, most of the time, plastic is really tough and needs sharp scissors or a blade to cut through it. But guess what? We don't want little hands getting hurt. That's why it's always a great idea to ask a grown-up for help when cutting plastic, especially those pesky bottle caps. You know how hard they can be to snip off, so make sure to ask a grown-up who can handle those scissors like a boss. And hey, if you happen to have those special kid-friendly scissors, even better. Now, if you're feeling extra cautious, you can also use a grown-up for all the cutting while you bring your artistic genius to the decorating part. Awesome. Okay. Now let's unleash our creativity and start crafting. Our first project today is super cool. Okay, next up, let's create something really fun for our fridges. Now let's create something that will bring music to your ears. We're making bottle cap wind chimes. And guess what? We have some extra tips for you. If you're feeling adventurous, hey, crafty friends, we've made some fantastic creations today, haven't we?